I was not expecting this. I am. How is it possible? Hey guys, Jai Shri Krishna, welcome back to my channel SIDDHI DUBE. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to press the notification bell as well. So happy Navratri everyone, and yeah, it's a nice festival. I especially love Navratri. The reason is because I love playing dandiya and I love to eat food, I love to play dandiya and dress up and do the makeup and just enjoy the festival. But sadly, because of the COVID situation, we are unable to dress up and make up and play dandiya and eat street food. But it's okay, man. It's okay. But we'll do all kind of rituals like puja and all. So yeah. But you guys can watch my channel. I'll keep you entertained, and thank you so much for supporting or subscribing. Please guys, subscribe. According to the YouTube studio data, 42% people don't subscribe my channel. I don't know the reason why. Okay, please subscribe. Coming to the video, Akinator. What is Akinator? You know, I have seen this kind of video 4 months ago on YouTube only, that everyone is trying the Akinator or Akinator, whatever it is called, the game, and I thought, does it really work? And I thought, okay, let's give it a try then. And I really don't believe things until and unless I'll see it or hear it or whatever. So yeah, we are gonna try Akinator today, and let's see, does it really work or is it a trick or something like that? Let's start then. Okay, so before getting it into the Akinator, I'll tell you just a quick thing. What is Akinator actually? So Akinator is a game when it's like a magic, I think, and you know, when you just think about one thing or a person or whatever you think about, the genie or whatever it is called as an Akinator game, where guess what I'm thinking of a person, or it's like this. Like, how is it possible, man? An app, how can it guess what is going on in your mind? I don't know. I think it's not a magic, but it's a trick. Let's see, I'm trying it for the first time, and if you really like it, you can just try for fun. So let's get into the video right now. And here you will see the screen recording, and let's go. Okay, here I have downloaded the app from Play Store. It's called as Akinator. I'll text you the spelling if you don't know. So here we are going. Challenge me. I will read your mind. Okay. First question is your character an adult man? Now I'll tell you guys what I am thinking about. So let's think of my dad. Yes. Has your character really existed? Of course. Third question, is your character American? No. Is your character YouTuber? No. Is your character an actor? No. Is your character a sportsman? No. Is your character famous? No. Is your character over 27 years old? Yes. Is your has your character been in love with your mother? Okay, you're asking this kind of questions. Of course, you must know like this. Does your character have a girlfriend? No. Does your character live with his girlfriend? No. Is your character from planet Earth? Of course. Does your character live with friends? No. Does your character live in Glasgow? No. I mean, what? It's right. I mean, yeah, I was thinking about my father, but I really didn't understand. Like, you're asking everything. Is your character married to your mother? What does it mean, man? So yeah, it's a trick, but I think father was a quite simple and easy one. I'm gonna give it a second try for you guys. Like, does it really works or what? And this time I'm gonna think of one YouTuber. So she's one of my favorites. She's almost my age, like almost, yeah. So yeah, it's my father. Like, it's correct. So yeah. Now I'm gonna give a second try. Me again. Let's see. Is your character gender female? Yes. Now you guys will know, I have not told you guys that which YouTuber I'm thinking of. Do you and your character know each other well? No, I don't know the YouTuber. Like, of course, she's a YouTuber. Is your character a YouTuber? Yes. Does your character have a gaming channel? No. Does your character live with their parents? Yes. Does your character have a sister? Yes. Is your character with the age of 15 to 20? Yes. Does your character live in America? No. She's an Indian YouTuber and I really like her so much. Is your character Indian? Yes. Does your character have a dog? Yes. Has your character been in a music video? No. Does your character play Roblox Piggy? What's that? I don't know, but no, she doesn't play. Is your character Muslim? No. Does your character have any pets? Yes. I was thinking of Pragati Verma, man. How is it possible? I mean, there are like 100 of YouTubers whose age gap is like 15 to 20, and there are like many YouTubers, man. What is this? I'm scared now. But how does it, I mean, how is it possible? Yes, it's Pragati Verma, guys. I really like her. She's an Indian YouTuber. I like her content and she's almost 18 or 19, I don't know. But there are like 100 of YouTubers who is between the age gap of 15 to 20 and who is not in the music video. Like there are 100 of creators, thousands of creators. I was thinking of Pragati Verma. How does this Akinator know? I am. Wow, it really works. I don't know, but I am so glad. I was not expecting this at all. I was not expecting this. Is it like how? I mean, okay, this clarified one thing for sure, that it really works. I don't know about other YouTubers. Maybe it's like that कि जिसके कम subscribers है या the one who's not so famous. Maybe उनको ये Akinator नहीं जानता हो. How? I really don't understand how. I hope Pragati is watching this, man. She'll love it, I think. But yeah, I'll tell you the truth and I'm not gonna lie that yeah, the Akinator works. At least for me, I tried it twice a times because at first time when I really tried that, I thought like he's asking everything. That is your father married with your mother. Of course, man, you will know like that. But for second turn, like second chance, when I really thought of Pragati Verma, then I was like, I am not, I mean, I'm speechless. So I think that's it. And I'm ending this video with so much of surprise and shocked. I don't know what I'm speaking right now. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you like and if you want to try this, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell as well. Bye bye everyone. See you in the next video.